Last minute decided to put the Macht Schnell X-Pipe on with the high flow cats, but here it is. She's on the lift. This is the first time I've seen the car on the lift actually. Alright, so when the car was on the lift, we discovered that it already has secondary cat or primaries deleted, so this may actually not be a huge difference or as big of a difference as I was thinking, but it still should sound a good amount better. X-pipe going in. Let's try to get from here. There it is. I wish it was titanium, but my pockets ain't that deep. Right, so the X-pipe is on. It should sound a lot better. Huge shout out to Precision Dynamics for doing the install on the carbon trunk and the X-pipe. It took overall a little bit, like 3 hours or so, 3.5, but that's mostly because of the trunk, because the X-pipe only took like 15-20 minutes. But yeah, again, huge shout out to them. They did a really good job, and I'm looking forward to hearing how it sounds and just experiencing the car as it is now. Initial thoughts on the cold start, well, somewhat cold start, because it was started a little earlier ago, but it still sounds about the same. But I know that's because the rear section is still stock. But I think when actually on load and in the high RPMs, it should sound better. But the carbon fiber trunk's looking real good though, I'm not gonna lie. Super good. I'm here at the WRTecknica meet. Got this boy Justin. Got the boys out here, Calvin, Ryan, Preston. Kevin's over there talking to other rich boys over there. Yeah. But brought the M3. It's still really dirty, but it was a rainy week in SoCal, so gotta kind of give some leeway there. But we're gonna see what kind of cars came out today. I know the shop has pretty sick cars inside too. So we got the GT3 RS right here. They're playing music in the background, so hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but the boys and I are gonna go look into the TJ Hunt. Oh, Kevin's finally coming back to us. But let's go see what's in the shop. All right, so inside the shop's insane. As you can see, supercars, Porsches, and oh my God, the main attraction, the Pagani. Yo. This shit's pretty sick too. I wonder what this dude does, because this is a few million right here. Oh my gosh. Got the signature right here. Yeah. Huayra Roadster. Sheesh. Oh my God. This is what a few million looks like. I don't know whose this is, but they're doing something right, extremely right, because this is quite expensive. I'm in love out here, man. There's too many things that I want in here. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, man. The Porsches, the GT2 RS, which is my ultimate dream car. There's like 3 or 4 in here, I believe. But dude, this is it. This is how you know you made it in life. If you have some of these cars, you made it. Minimum 200 grand cars in here, bro. Oh my gosh. So you got multiple cars on the lifts. I'm assuming they're being worked on or strictly for display. But you can see quite a few gems in these like little sections. You can see the new 400Z, E92 track build, E46 M3. There's just a bunch of stuff here. Oh, he's here? And then you can see a 488 Pista, 765 LT, and just a lot of gems in here. Also, this guy's posing for a picture. I got him in there. That son. This is a really rare spec of a GT2 RS. It's a club sport. Oh my gosh. There's just too much money in here. I'm getting upset. Too much money. And then you got the monster GTRs back there. Dude. How do I get like this? That's the real question. How do I get like this? Got the RS, the GT3 RS chilling with the Aventador. I guess their company is Rap House OC. So, just a quick little shout out to these boys. But yeah, there's a bunch of gems here. Like, you can see there's plenty of exotics, plenty of a good mixture of different cars. 720S, R8. Yeah, there's just quite a few gems here. It was a really good meet. Shout out to WRTecknica for the event. It was really sick. Also, there's an E90 over there that is kind of inspiring me. All right, so here's the E90 M3 that I was talking about earlier. He has the GT4 carbon lip. He has Titan 7 wheels. He also is the manual, and he has the Sparko seats. If you guys know whose car this is, let me know, because maybe I want to link up with dude, maybe shoot some video. But there's my dirty ass M3 in the background. You can see the carbon lip, or carbon trunk. It was a fun day with the boys at WRTecknica. Oh shit, there was hella nice cars. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite was, but now we're gonna get Korean barbecue because it's our boy's birthday. So actually, I'll probably film some of that too. But we're dipping from the meat. Hopefully you guys like the recap, and we're gonna be headed over to Korean barbecue.